What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. We just got some incredible news yesterday that the Federal Reserve is going to potentially be easing into interest rate cuts pretty soon with a 90% probability in September. We are looking for extreme growth heading SoFi's way over the next couple of months. Q3 and Q4 are going to be monster quarters, out of a fairy tale book. I believe this is where the big run up is about to finally begin. And I believe there's a possibility either this week or next week, SoFi is going to break all time highs in the company's history, going back to when it was a SPAC listed under IPOE and the stock hit about 28 bucks. I think we're going to break through that level and then we have clear skies above. Once this stock clears $28, guys, we have the opportunity to make a run at the $30, $35, $40 level pretty quickly because there's no resistance above $28. Now, there's going to be dozens and dozens of companies performing very, very well in this lower interest rate environment over the next, couple of months. But I believe SoFi is going to be one of the best performers out of all of them because we're also getting into the hottest sectors in the market as well, which is artificial intelligence and crypto blockchain. SoFi is going to have every diversified segment inside of its business, and it's going to absolutely see the money printer activated once these interest rates begin. And I'm telling you, they're going after everything, guys. All of the market share they want it. SoFi CEO has a goal to hit 50 million members, and the way that they are moving, guys, this is definitely going to happen in the future. And also, guys, in today's video with that interest rate cut news, I'm going to be giving you guys my price target that I believe we are going to surpass this year. 4.5 months left inside of 2025. You're going to get that inside of this video. It's going to be an incredible video for you. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of good news heading your way. Let's get into it. All right, guys, look at the incredible strength that SoFi just had yesterday. 7% green day. The stock was almost up $2. Do you see what's happening now that the stock's breaking over the $10, $15, $20, $25 range? These percentage moves are becoming bigger and bigger dollar ranges. I mean, before you know it, the higher we get, a 7% move is going to turn into a $3 move up. Do you understand what's happening as the stock is moving up higher? We're starting to turn more dollars inside of the chart. This is exactly what we've been waiting for, guys. And I'm telling you right now, $28 all-time highs is not that far away. I think we can either hit it this week or next week. And take a look at this, guys. This is what we just did on that massive run up to $25, which was the highest close as the company was trading under SoFi. We had these leap options that we were purchasing inside of my VIP Patreon group months ago, and we were DCAing when they went down on a discount. That's what you do. You buy the fear, and then when the market comes back, you get, massive returns. So you can see we had about 120 leaps. We paid $1.22 right here, and we're dumping these on the market for $5.80 for a 374% profit. That is what you're getting inside of the VIP Patreon group. $54,000 profit on a little $14,000 investment, guys. This is the type of returns you can see when you're buying leaps at the right time. What I did inside of my VIP Patreon group recently is I just posted 2 new leap options that you guys can get into. These leaps are pretty safe and can have big returns if the stock does break into the $35, $40, $45 range over the next 12 months. So those are listed inside of the VIP Patreon group right now. And you guys are always wondering what other stocks I'm buying. I listed 6 other stocks that I'm purchasing right now inside of that group. The link is in the comment section and description. Sign up for the VIP Patreon group. You are not going to regret it. And this is the chart that we're looking at today, guys. You can get this on Twitter from Cantonese Cat. Look at this, guys. We are about to break the $28, $26 level right here, okay? What do you see above this $28, $26? There's nothing above it, guys. There's no resistance. Clear skies ahead. This is what you've been waiting for years. A lot of you people that have been investing in SoFi for a long time, this stock can literally gap up to $40 in the blink of an eye, especially if management announces some big news with a crypto launch, a loan platform business deal, guys. This is what you've been waiting for. I think we're going to break it either this week or next week. This is it. Once again, guys, we're at 25 bucks, 28, 26. Once we clear that, it is the moonshot time. And that's why I'm saying if you're going to be entering some leap options for the next 12 to 18 months, get them inside of the VIP Patreon group because you don't want to be buying into leaps when the stock's $30, $40, $50 a share. They're going to be way too expensive. And I believe we got some big catalysts coming up for this week, guys. You can see SoFi will be added into the MSCI index affected at the close of the market on August 27th, the middle of the week. It's a really big index, guys. A lot of institutions are going to be following this MSCI. I believe millions upon millions of shares are going to be bought up this week, and that's just going to put a floor in for us to, keep going higher. And I believe this is the catalyst to boost us over that $28 because this is going to make a lot of headwinds once it happens. You'll see a ton of media outlet posts. So this is coming very soon this week, and I believe this is going to help us break over that all-time highs once again. Now take a look at this, guys. Management bonus compensation is about to get demolished. Remember, guys, they have 3 levels to break. They need to hold over those levels for 90 days, but understand we're already clipping 25. You got the 25, the 35, and the 45. Noto will receive a $289 million cumulative bonus once he breaks all 3 of these, guys. I think 35 is in sights pretty soon. Once again, we're going to be giving you the price target for this year, 2025, right now inside of this video, but understand that they need to hit these levels by June 2026 next year. So not the end of this year, 6 months into next year, they need to break through the $45 level. Now take a look at this, guys. Big aspirations from the SoFi CEO. He wants to be a top 15 technology company measured by market cap. Top 15, that's absolutely insane. Here's what the market cap value would need to be for SoFi to achieve that goal. You can see we got all the companies listed right here. And then at 15th, you got IBM, 225 billion market cap. SoFi is currently ranked the 70th largest tech company in America. We're at about 30 billion right now. So to get to 225 billion, which is the CEO's goal to make it into the top 15, of course, those other companies are going to move as well. But you can see what type of moves we need to happen. I mean, we could literally quadruple from here, and we're still at the halfway point of making it into the top 15. So you can see the management team has big aspirations to get this stock way higher than it is here, but I'm going to show you what I believe SoFi is going to hit, this year inside of 2025. And here's my updated 2025 price target for SoFi. I think SoFi is going to hit $40 per share this year. I know for some of you it sounds wild because everyone was talking about 20 and 25, which we just surpassed with an additional 4.5 months to go, and we haven't even got rate cuts and we haven't even launched crypto. But I believe the timing is better than I expected, guys. This is what's going to get you to the next level. The rate cuts, these are coming now, okay? September, and we might get a second one. Crypto launch. They still haven't announced crypto added onto their platform. That is going to be a massive catalyst. And the S&P 500 hype I showed you, it is real. We are fully qualified on market cap. We are fully qualified on profitability. We are fully qualified as one of the fastest growers inside of the market. We already surpassed 3 companies that just got into the S&P 500 just recently. Williams-Sonoma and the Trade Desk. Look at those companies. They're smaller than SoFi. So the S&P 500 is a massive catalyst. And then we had 10 Galileo deals closed. No one's really talking about this yet because the names haven't been announced. 10 contracts have been signed for 2026 revenue streams. And then, of course, guys, I believe 40% growth rates are going to be coming once again in Q3. I think we're going to see back-to-back 40% growth. This stock is on fire right now, and it hasn't even begun because we haven't got that interest rate rocket fuel yet that is coming. 2 rate cuts inside of 2025 is going to be a massive catalyst. So these are the catalysts that are going to bring us up to this $40 level. I think we're going to clip it. It's about a 60% move from right here at the $25 level. I think it's going to happen, guys, by January 1st, New Year's, $40, absolutely insane. I mean, this is going to be almost the max bonus compensation package for management team if they can get to 40. It's the top of the list is 45, so we're not that far away. This is what I believe is going to happen. Let's see how the next 4.5 months plays out, as long as there's no macro uncertainty or something crazy and the interest rates start to ride in. Now take a look at this, guys. I believe the bull market is just beginning and will last an additional 2 years from today. Here's how I know that. Take a look at the total SPAC IPO counts by year. When you see these SPACs flowing, these, unprofitable small companies being allowed to trade publicly, that's a sign, that the froth is picking up. But take a look. 2020, we had 248 SPACs hit the market. That's because that COVID money came in, 0% interest rates, euphoria COVID money began, and then 2021 was the peak bubble. 613 SPACs hit the market. 2022, everything dried up. 86 SPACs hit the market and we crashed. 2023, 31, ghost town for SPACs, nothing happened. And then 2024, we almost saw a double from 31 to 57, a little bit recovery. And look at where we're at right now, guys. We're only at 82. We haven't even got an interest rate cut yet, and we're just warming up, okay? You can see we're far away from euphoria in 2020 at 250 and a 600 at peak bubble 2021. We're not even at 100 SPACs for the year yet. Market is going to run hot for the next 2 years because the lower interest rates are about to begin to flow. 2 in 2025 and a potential 3 to 5 in 2026. And then 2027 is probably when the market is going to take a big pullback. So I'm thinking we're in a bull market for the next couple years. Companies like SoFi are going to be some of the companies that are benefiting the most from these lower interest rates. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to sign up for the VIP Patreon group. We just listed 2 fresh options trade on SoFi that you can get into that are pretty safe calls and are going to see big upside if the stock does break into that $30, $35, $40 range pretty soon. And once again, we also have 6 other companies listed that I'm buying for this lower interest rate environment. Hope you guys have a great day.